shut the door for us?
So on this trip, my car's seen a bit of an update. Shout out to OL, Opposite Lock. They've given me their triple hoop bull bar for the 79 series. It's a full steel bull bar. It's got integrated recovery points, winch compatible. The recovery points are actually 8-ton rated. It's a big hoop bull bar, so it's 63 mil tubing across the top. It's got a ram system they designed to split the air for the airflow into the radiator, flip up number plate bracket, integrates with your factory fog lights if you've got a GXL, and then also side indicators. So it's fully ADR compliant. Bash plate underneath, and then I've also paired it with their side steps as well along the side. And these are all steel as well, and they mount straight to your chassis rails of your car, so they're nice and sturdy. A few more things to go, but we'll keep on moving.
Instructions, like we've been doing. Thanks, Darren.
Bars off. It actually looks way better. Dude, with no fat lip,